Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about numismatic. What is numismatic? The numismatic is the study of collection of coins, tokens, and paper money, and sometimes related objects such as medals. An area of numismatic that has increased in popularity and value in paper money. So next, why we need to collect coins? So coin collection will tell us the story of the history, and it can be related to education, hobby for kids and elders. Gathering collect coins from all over the world can be fascinated as you can find out about the different cultures, how money has played a part in their development, and you can also learn about the geography, and you can collect different coins from many different countries. What is the importance of coins? Coins has a rich history which makes collection of rewarding hobby. People collect coins in many reasons, including history, article value, and investment. So even the coin collection can give you the value. For example, if you take the 5 rupees coin, which is having the value of 5 rupees, but in the numismatic value, it can have around 50 to 500 rupees. Even the old coins, which can cost you for around lakhs together of money you can get. So the people are enthusiastic to collecting foreign coins when they go for trip and get the coins and found when I found a chance of getting the coins. Where in India coins are minted? There are different places. There are four places in India where the coins are minted. One is in Kolkata, Mumbai, Hyderabad, and Noida. These are the four places where the coins are minted. The coins are used for circulation only through Reserve Bank in terms of RBI Act. How do we differentiate where the coin is minted? So here is the indicator. So below the, so if you can see uh, the year, below that you can see a mint, and there will be a star, different, I mean the diamond, dot, and nothing will be there. So what is that indicates? So this indicates the different of location. For example, if you see the Mumbai, which is having the diamond mark, diamond, it is minted in Mumbai, and Kolkata, nothing will be there, it is printed in Kolkata. If it is star, it's minted in Hyderabad, and a dot or a circle which is minted in Noida. And there are types of mint. So UNC and proof coins. What is UNC? UNC is defined as an uncirculated coin which has mint and lots of shine on it. Proof coins are also a polished and is very, I mean like more shinier and have much better finish as compared to UNC coins. This is a higher level of contrast between the raised part and shallow part in the design of coins. The cost of coin, the proof coin is more than UNC coins. So what are the different types of coins? So you can find the commemorative coins and the regular circulation coins. Commemorative coins are coins issued to commemorate some particular events with distinct design with reference to the occasion. I mean like based on the occasions the design will be made, and it will be manufactured, and it will be categorized and under the collection of coins. So it was not circulated, but it can be collected for a circulation, I mean the for collection purpose. And although some countries issue commemorative coins for regular circulations, even we also have some of the, for example, if you take the 5 rupee coin having the Vaishna Devi behind that, it is a commemorative coin, but still it's a circulation, under circulation. The regular coins are minted every year. It's something like where we have a Indian emblem or just 1 rupee coin where it is circulated every year. One of the example, the birth century like is 2021, the Subhash Chandra Bose 125 birth anniversary year. Uh, so I mean like this is printed in the on the event of 125th birth anniversary of Subhash Chandra Bose. Here is an just a sample. And coin collection is just not a hobby; it's a way of fashion. So guys, collect the coins, and you can find the difference, and you will enjoy the collecting the coins. So thank you very much.